In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a clean, professional-looking cover page in Google Docs. Whether you're preparing a school assignment, organizing a project report, or you simply want your document to look polished and creative, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your Google Docs file and go to the very first page of your document. Once you're there, look for the option labeled Insert at the top of the screen. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any details. Next, click on Drawing, then select New. This will open Google's built-in drawing tool, and you'll see several options that help you design your cover with images, shapes, and text. Follow the on-screen instructions as they appear. Everything inside the drawing tool is designed to be simple, visual, and very user-friendly. To add a background image, click the small image icon inside the drawing window. Then choose Upload from Computer and select the picture you want to use. You can resize and adjust the image however you like. This gives your cover page a personalized look. After that, click on the text box button. Draw a text box over your image, then type in your title, maybe your project name, your subject, your name, or whatever details you want on your cover page. Make the text centered, adjust the size, change the color, and try out different fonts until it looks just the way you imagined. Taking a moment to style your text makes your cover page look so much more professional. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure your image has good resolution, double-check your margins, and keep your text easy to read. Doing this beforehand can save you time and help prevent unnecessary layout issues. Once you've finished designing, click Save and Close. Your cover page will appear directly in your document. After that, you should be able to add extra text beneath it, or even move the entire drawing around if you want to reposition things. It's also a good idea to preview your document once to make sure everything looks clean and balanced. Taking this extra step ensures your cover page feels polished and ready to share, and that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to create a beautiful, fully customized cover page in Google Docs easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be trying to design their own cover page. Why not make someone's day easier?